Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Zero Touch Cyber. Today we dive into the world of Content Delivery Network. CDNs are networks of servers spread across the globe, delivering content closer to users for faster loading. They cache common files like images and videos, speeding up popular websites like Facebook and Netflix. Additionally, CDNs can help protect against cyberattacks like DDoS. A content delivery network, or a CDN, is a globally distributed network of servers that helps provide high availability, faster performance, and security to websites distributing their content via it. How does a CDN improve page load time? CDNs speed up websites by keeping content close to users, like catching it pops, sending users to the fastest server like smart routing shrinking files for faster download, matching images to device sizes like image optimization. The internet before CDNs was a much slower and less reliable place. Websites could take minutes to load, even for simple pages. This was because all of the content had to travel from the website server to your computer, often over long distances. Before CDNs, websites were slow and vulnerable. CDNs changed things by storing content closer to users, speeding up websites, and making them harder to attack. When you're in India, want a US website? CDN acts like a global delivery network with local servers, edge servers. The closest warehouse edge server checks if it has the website content like images or videos. If yes, you get it fast. If not, it gets it from the main website like origin server and also stores a copy for future users in your area, making things faster for everyone. Types of CDNs: Push CDN, Pull CDN. Push CDN receive new content whenever changes occur on your server. You can configure when content expires and when it is updated. Sites with small amount of traffic or sites with content that is often updated work well with push CDNs. Pull CDN. Fetch new content from server when first user requests the content. Time to live determines how long content is cached. Minimize traffic on CDN but redundant traffic, preferred for sites with heavy traffic. Static content refers to unchangeable files that are stored on the server and delivered to all users in the same form. Examples include pictures, videos, text files, HTML files, and other similar data. This is originally created by someone and posted online. These data can't be changed. Dynamic content. It refers to the information that is constantly changing. The data that are displayed on the user screens will change depending on user behavior. Every user will have unique personalized content displayed on the screen. Advantages of using CDNs are less downtime, fastest content delivery, high availability, and redundancy. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, follow for more updates.